Hi guys, this is Mittal and welcome back to my channel. Welcome to one of the most interesting videos of my 24th birthday series. But before we begin, in case you guys have not watched my birthday vlogs or videos moving up to my birthday vlogs, make sure you do check them out. I have an entire playlist for my 24th birthday, so I'm gonna link that down in the description. And also a heads up, I am sick, so my voice might sound a little weird, but excuse that because I'm gonna be sharing with you guys all the gifts that I received for my 24th birthday. So I'm just gonna start with random things that I pick up here and there. First one, with the biggest thing that I have with me right here, is this very beautiful, like, beige dusty pink color bag, which is from Herschel's. I had been using a bag from Miniso for my college, and when I received this I was so happy because I could finally change. I was just stuck to Miniso. I actually had second thoughts on changing the color to black, but everyone told me that you've had enough of black, so I kept this very pretty color which has like these gold chains and detailings. It's a very beautiful, very big bag. मैं already इसको use करना start कर चुकी हूँ. I already have stuff, so I cannot show you the insides, but it has this red and white striped insides, and there's one elastic chain या drawer kind of thing. इसके अंदर ही मेरा एक और gift है जो actually टूट चुका है. So it was kind of this keychain hanger holder that you get, so I can keep my stuff in it. So isme I have kept a mini perfume, which is actually Rene Bloom का bottle है, but इसमें I've kept another perfume, and I have a classic nude lipstick. This is the Huda Beauty Bombshell. So this is what I've kept in this pouch, and it just stays with me, so I have my perfume and lipstick to touch up anytime I want it. Then we have a very random product. You know what? I think it's been a thing now in my birthday videos that you will see very random, very weird products thinking that ये birthday gift में कौन लेता है. But I think at this point in life we have everything with us, so birthday gift is something which we need and not something that we want a lot of times. So I have this Nestle's Coffee Mate, which is basically a creamer. Now I am someone who does not love any milk related beverage like tea, coffee or plain milk, and I only love my McDonald's iced coffee, and I realized the only reason that I love it so much is because they have that liquid creamer. So I thought this is what it is, and मेरा इतना बड़ा पचका हुआ है because this is that powder, milk powder basically, जिसका मैंने इतना बड़ा डब्बा मंगा के रखा है, and it honestly is not working out for me because either it formed lumps or I don't know, like I still need to find a way to figure out how to make this work and how to make my coffee taste good. But this was a big fail, and I don't know मैं इतने बड़े डब्बे का क्या करने वाली हूँ. Then I have a very cute personalized gift with me right here. It is a passport cover. It is so pretty, like the color, it's just so rich, and I have it customized to my name and a doctor symbol, which is so cute. Now the customization we have is kind of this decor thing. So it has like this coiled, like it's a one coil thing basically with my name written on it. It can be any decor piece, any personalized customized item. You can use it on a hook, on a hanger, या कुछ भी लगाने के लिए. But it's very pretty, and this is handmade. I absolutely love the color that it's made in, and look at this cute heart that is on top of I. And one thing which I really wanted since a long time, and I was wondering if I should get it. So I have this very stunning sunglasses from John Jacobs. Now this has a backstory. Is back, I think, in December, or I would believe probably the start of this year, when I went to Bandra Linking Road. I have a vlog of it in case you guys want to check it out, but you will see in that vlog that I was trying out sunglasses in Lenskart, and there were these one heart shaped sunglasses that I absolutely loved it for no reason. Like I tried it and I was like, dude, that looks super cool, but they were for 5,000 rupees, and I was like, buying sunglasses that I won't even wear like probably more than 2 to 3 times a year for 5,000 rupees is a lot of money. And I kept it down, and I was like, you know what, not, sometime when I feel like splurging on sunglasses or something like that, or gifting myself, I would get my hands on it. And my mom was actually behind me ki tu le, if you like it tu le, I'll buy it for you, but I was like, you know what, let it be. And then finally I have my hands on it. I love the packaging that it comes with. It has, of course, the cloth, cleaning cloth packed in this, and I'm gonna show you guys what they look like. Now I'm just gonna give you guys a heads up that these are not for everyone, and these also will not probably look good on what I'm wearing right now. These are very quirky and very different, but I really love them. Look at that, these are so cool. Like, I love it. So pretty, so cool and so quirky. ये फिट मुझे एकदम अच्छे से करते हैं. द हार्ट शेप इज ऑल्सो सो कूल, क्वर्की, बट सिंस इट कम्स इन अ ब्लैक कलर, इट्स नॉट, you know, out there out loud as well. So on very cute cliche and, you know, like Bollywood style thing, अगर तुम इसको पेयर करोगे या your any other like outfit, you know, which matches the vibe, these would look perfect. Then I have these cute little chopsticks. These I think Kushi got. So मैं और एक चीज़ उसकी भूल गई, which was the fridge magnet, अगर आपने वो vlog देखा होगा तो. But these are also very cute chopsticks that she had gone to Shillong, or I don't know, wherever she had gotten in the northeast. वहाँ से वो लाई थी. So a pair of chopsticks. Then let's just accompany our food business together and eat this beautiful handcrafted, like this. I to get like Turkish and Greece vibes ये bowl देख के, but it's a huge bowl, like next to my face. That is huge. Like, that is so pretty, so big, and I love it because I can have my ramen in peace in this bowl. Like, so stunning. I love these kind of bowls, and I think maybe खुद एक लाई थी, but really pretty. I will try to link all these products in case I can find them in the description box below. Another wooden bowl also gifted. This is very classic. This is mostly for like rice bowls, rice plates, or, you know, like flat based food, ज़्यादा soupy based नहीं चाहिए. So perfect for Thai curries and rice, your pasta, your noodles and stuff like that will go perfectly in this beautiful aesthetic wooden bowl. Now next thing is something that I have gifted to myself, and I have an entire journey of buying the process of it. So this year I had decided that I want to buy myself a luxury perfume, and I wanted to buy a perfume that I know I will love whenever I apply it, because I just feel like perfumes do match a lot with the seasons going on, with your moods, and also day and night time. And I wanted to buy myself a perfume I thoroughly enjoy, but I could use it any time of the day, any time of the year, and still be in love with it. Plus it had a good longevity. I was looking for something on a sweeter, on a vanilla note, but that was something that I definitely had kept in mind. So मैं उस note से चली थी. So I think since the beginning of this year, I was trying out perfumes here and there a lot of times, and like picking and choosing a few, the ones that I liked. So I have an entire journey and an entire vlog where I get these perfumes, and also I'm gonna share with you guys, but I'm also gonna tell you I got my hands on this very beautiful and stunning Burberry Goddess. This is such an iconic perfume, and some people love it, some people really hate it, because hate it in the sense they shame you down that, oh, you're the Burberry Goddess girl. But this is so good, and this was definitely not in my list to buy, but you guys are gonna see how I ended up buying it. So I'm just gonna insert clips of it here. Hi guys. So basically for my birthday I want to buy a very expensive, like, luxury perfume. Not very luxury, but I want to buy an expensive perfume. So today we're gonna go and try perfumes at different places. So I'm gonna take you guys with me. I tried a few from Ajmal which I like, but we'll go to Sephora and Zara and stuff like that. Not from Zara, but I'm gonna try a few from Zara, and then I'll see you guys. So I'm gonna take you guys on the journey.
Are you gonna?
No, I'm just holding. I think this is the YSL. This is Goddess. And this is Valentino. I like Valentino and Goddess more.
I like Goddess better than Valentino.
है ना, Goddess, we'll get the 10 ml. Okay guys, you guys saw like a very small clip of me trying out the perfume that day, but basically I went to, I think, Lifestyle or Shopper Stop or something, जहाँ पे perfumes रहते हैं. and I did try out a few brands and a few perfumes that I was looking forward to. So I really liked the Givenchy Irresistible, but the thing is they only had it in a 100 ml version, and for buying my first ever luxury perfume, I didn't want to go 100 ml directly. I wanted to start with a smaller, maybe 50 or 30 ml preferably. So then I tried other brands. My second very like close call was the YSL Libre Intense, but I realized like the YSL Libre Intense and the YSL EDP Le Parfum or whatever it is, like the another one, both smell very different, and I thought the deepest one was the better one, but I think the Libre Intense is something which I like more. But same again, that was kind of being a little bit more expensive for me. I think it was like for 6,000, 7,000 or something like that, and any which ways they didn't have any other discount. And then I tried a few brands, and I actually wanted to try Burberry Her and Burberry Goddess, and I tried the Valentino Born in Roma Donna EDP, and I ended up liking that one. So I like the Valentino and I like the Burberry Goddess a lot. I sprayed those two on my hands. मैं बाकी सब strips पे करी थी because I just feel like once you spray it on your hand, then it's just so mind fogging. So that's something that you need to keep in mind. Like if you like a fragrance too much, only then you kind of spray it on your hand and see how it feels, because honestly fragrances settle down and the actual scent you get after a really long time, and वो paper पे इतना नहीं पता चलता है. So I'm gonna be very honest, I liked the Valentino Born in Roma more, but Valentino does not have 30 ml at all. I think they have 50 ml and 90 ml and stuff like that. So I was not ready for that big of a commitment. Plus it was expensive. The Givenchy one was so not available only, and the Burberry Her was also good, but the Goddess was, oh, that was so good. So that's what I ended up buying, but I did not buy it from the store. I bought it from Tira. This is my first ever Tira order, and when I put the 30 ml in my cart, I got a small sample of the Burberry Hero perfume. I got a Tira pouch free. I got 2 more samples and something else. So I got a lot of stuff. I got 1,000 rupees off, plus I got some discount, and plus I got some instant 10% off on. I had used some Axis Bank or koi to credit card. So all in all, this entire purchase, whatever I'm going to show you, I think it costed me around 3,700 or I think 2,700, I believe. Whatever the price is, I'll just pop it here because I'm not able to recollect right now. But that was such a good purchase, and I'm so excited. This is a birthday gift from me to myself. It is my 24th birthday, as you guys know, with the birthday series. So I'm super excited to see, like, I think perfumes is something that I'm really into, and we're gonna keep adding to the collection on special occasions, especially my birthdays. So here's to my first ever luxury perfume, and the reason I want to unbox it with you guys is this is something which, you know, I want to start as a tradition. Usually I don't really give myself anything, like I buy clothes or something, but this time I have a lot of clothes for myself, so I thought it's worthwhile to spend in a luxury perfume, because that's something I have wanted for a really long time. And I was actually even looking for sunglasses, but I think I might just tell someone to give me the sunglasses because they are really cool and quirky. You guys will see, of course, for all the gifts that I get, I will definitely make a separate video, as I do every year. But yeah, that's about it. And let me just open this. I don't know how it works, guys. I don't know Tira ka packaging kya hai. The first thing is actually this. Oh, this is so pretty. It's actually a very beautiful pouch and काफ़ी बड़े size का है. It's a peachy color, and yeah, this is what it looks like. It's a very good travel, you know, your makeup and skincare pouch that you can use. So that's the first thing that I have with me right here. This is what I got for free. And then we have all the products right here. You guys are going to be surprised by the amount of products that I have actually gotten from them. Okay, so we have a Nivea ka 50 ml body lotion, which is so good. Like, This is so good for travel and ये actually it's like 50 ml तो काफ़ी बड़ा size है. Retails for 65 rupees जो मुझे free में मिला है. Then I have a L'Occitane का I think trial this thing. So I have their serum, the boosting oil and the face cream का samples. Then I have the Burberry Hero sample. It is the Burberry EDT and it comes in this beautiful bottle. I think this is more on the aqua side, but I just want to save it because बहुत छोटा है. This is 1.5 ml. And finally, we have the perfume. We have the Burberry Goddess. This is their EDP. I have the 30 ml one and it actually retails for 4,400 rupees. And I am pretty sure I got it for 2,700 rupees, which is an insane steal deal on this perfume. I am so happy. I don't think I'm gonna open it right now. I'm gonna save this for my birthday and use this for the very first time on my birthday. But yeah, that is what it is and that is what my gift to myself is. Okay, now that you have seen it, I've used it once and this smells so good. It smells of vanilla and fresh up when you smell it. It's like proper vanilla sweet, but as it layers down, it has hints of like smoky and lavender scents as well. It's a beautiful blend and it's a classic vanilla perfume if that's what you're looking for, but it's not very overly sweet, it's not very overly strong and overpowering as well. It's a very subtle and sexy scent and I think every girl should own this one. And the way I got it on Tira for such a steal deal, I think I got this for 2,700 rupees. I also got a freebie for the Burberry Hero, which is a male fragrance. Iska sample size mujhe mila, I think this is what 1.5 ml, but oh my god, this also smells really good. So if you have a male friend, your any like boyfriend, your father, your husband or whatever, you can definitely consider getting this one as well, or you yourself can use it because I used it on myself and I really loved this one as well. It's a very unisex but very woody, natural, mixed with aqua and those kind of scents. But this one I definitely got it in a 30 ml because I want to try it out and I don't want to be like, oh, now I don't like it. So just to be very sure, I wanted to keep my first purchase a small size one. But I'm so happy I finally have a luxury perfume to my collection. Then I got a freebie from Nykaa. This is their Sicilian Sweet Pea Body Milk in their Wanderlust collection. This was as a birthday gift to me. I have two nail paints to share with you guys. First one is this bright hot pink, which I really like. I actually am a very easy person to give because I'm not that, oh, I don't like loud colors, I don't like subtle colors. I like everything and I love this color. I'm super excited to try this one on. It's a jelly paint, so this is the first of me. I'm gonna try it out and share my review with you guys. And then I have this pretty yellowish goldenish color. So yeah, those are the two nail paints. Then I have this Face Shop Water Fit tint. Now this is in the shade rose something I believe, rose coral or something like that. Yeah, rose pink, and it's a beautiful corally shade but lips pe thoda reddish lagega, so it's very bright. As a cheek tint, it's gonna be so beautiful and it's so long lasting. Since it's a water tint, the water se bhi jata nahi hai. It stays very long on the lips and I really like the formula. And something on similar, this was a handmade gift by Khushi. So ye do used lipsticks hai, usko stick karke, it was like 2 peas in a pod, Khushi and Mittal, and then she had like stuff written around it. Then we have these very pretty scrunchies. This is more of like a nature inspired floral and this is like more flowery purple and such, and very pretty. Like these are so unique. Like these are the thread wala scrunchies as compared to the silk ones. So yeah, dusty blue claw clip because that's what I use all the time. Next up we have two very beautiful pair of earrings. First is this beautiful butterfly earrings. Like look at those colors, these are so dainty and so beautiful. And then we kind of have this leaf pattern. Like these earrings are just so cute, so dainty, but at the same time like so stunning. Very unique gift in this category. This is the Earth Rhythm Lippy Stack. I didn't even know something like this existed, but when I got this gifted, I was like, that is so cool. So it kind of comes with these 4 lip things in it, and along with this spatula as well. So it has 4 things in it. It has a lip scrub, which is this beautiful blueberry thing drawn on it, and this one smells really really good. Then we have a lip serum, which again has this cute watermelon thing on top of it. A lip mask, lip balm, which smells absolutely beautiful. I love this kit so much. It is so unique, and it honestly is such a great gifting option if you're looking out for something, you know, in the makeup or beauty category, because I think I have all the makeup, skincare and beauty items that you could ever think of. So this is something which is very very unique to me, and I fell in love with it the moment I saw it. It's a very great gifting option and very very affordable as well. Like काफ़ी अच्छा है, under 1,000 rupees you'll get this very easily. So I'm gonna link this down. It is available on Nykaa as well, so you can definitely check this out. Okay, now so the last category is clothing. What I'm gonna share with you guys, the first thing you saw that Heath has gifted to me, this swimsuit which is from Westside. This is basically a bodysuit kind of thing with one shoulder, and it has this beautiful golden button detailings on the side. I love the color. Online it showed maroon, but this is now in real life a very beautiful wine color, which I love even more. ये मुझे थोड़ा सा साइड से लूज हो रहा है, so maybe if I can get a fitting from the sides. I don't know how this is going to work, but yeah, I need to get it fitted, but I really really love it, and I finally have a swimsuit of my own. Then I have this very beautiful red colored spaghetti top. I love the color, I love the neckline. It has this heart sweetheart neckline coming with it. Then it has these knot detailing. It's a very thin material, but honestly I love it. This is so my type. I don't have a red top at all, so it's a great addition to my collection. And along with this I have a denim skirt, so मैं picture insert करूँगी of me trying them here. But I have this beautiful denim skirt which has Donald Duck. So it is a collaboration of Pantaloons with Donald Duck or Disney or something I believe. So उसके पास बहुत कुछ आते. Had the Donald Duck denim jacket, white color, which is also so pretty. But this is what it is. So it's like denim skirt which has Donald Duck written on it, and then piche on the pocket it has the Donald Duck drawn, and it is so cute and it actually fits me so well. I wanted a denim skirt since such a long time, and I finally have it, and it looks absolutely stunning. You guys can see it in the picture right here. But yeah, that is it for all the gifts that I got, apart from everything. If you guys must have seen on my birthday vlogs, all the desserts and everything that kept on coming, and I think मैं शायद एक दो चीज़ें भूल भी गई होगी guys, क्योंकि इतनी सारी चीज़ें आई थी ये बार. But yeah, those are it. Let me know what you guys think about these in the comments down below, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.